Alright, we're going to take a look at Air King ventilation products. A 6-inch 2-speed circulation fan, whisker quiet motor, adjustment vertical tilt, 2-speed rotary control, perfect for desktop, kitchen, and workshop tables. So yeah, let's look at the box. Look at the top. Sort of old-fashioned box. So yeah, I got it for like a discount, so it was like $3. So yeah, there was a discount on that price tag on the bottom. So yeah. Instructions, wow, it's a full booklet. It's like, dang. There's a model information, RPM, 2000 or 17 on low. Specs, assembly, on off, put it in, on speed, how to take it apart. Parts, wow, you get parts. And then in Spanish. So yeah, let's take a look at this. There's the bottom, pretty flimsy. Here's the fan itself, 012. So let's hook this up somehow. Oh, here's the tilt. Oh, there's a lock on it too. Voila. There it is standing. It's a 3-prong. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's take this off. Not sure why you need plastic this much. Wow, this looks pretty long. Let's see how well this works. It is about, I don't know. Let's plug it in. Let's see how it works. Looks like it's hitting something already. There's a plastic strap in there. Let's see. Right there. Left or plastic. Okay, put it back in. Okay, let's see. He's on 2. Nice breeze. Oh, it's not. 0. 1. 1, 2. A little better. Yeah. Here's really close to you at 2. You could hear it. 1 and 0. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, leave me a message. Thanks for watching.